Hope all of you guys are all having a good day today. But last night, I had a lot of FOMO. I lost a lot of money last night. I should have not traded as much as I wanted to, but everything had to do. I had to go through everything for a reason. I had to lose a lot of money for a reason. So, ladies and gentlemen, I lost a lot of money, but it's okay. I was bound to happen because it's been over like two to 3 months since I've been trading with live money. So I forgot that I need to be patient. I need to actually learn from my mistakes. But last night I did learn from my mistakes. So I may not have a lot of money today, but we're gonna keep trading. We're gonna wake up every single morning. I'm gonna call out signals. I'm gonna always keep doing what I gotta do. But overall, I messed up. I admit it. And we're just gonna move on with our day and get this money. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, today I did lose a lot of money. We only have $31 out of today. I did lose that. Yes, I did. I admit it, because I let all of this FOMO, I kept wanting to short, I kept wanting to long, I kept wanting to do so much things into this area. All of this. I let a lot of FOMO get to me last night because I just wanted to make quick money. But it shows a lot in this trading industry that this industry is not to make quick money. It's for you to actually understand yourself. It's for you to actually build your strategy that's gonna make you money, not getting quick money. And this is what made me fail. But I admit it. So we're just gonna move on with our day. I'm gonna flip this money. I'm gonna make this money. And I'm not gonna mess up. I'm not gonna beat myself up for this because I know that I'm a good trader, but it's just the money side that gets me. Okay, so either way, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna find a good play and we're gonna make this money back. Alright, watch this, guys. So today, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna mark out what we got for today. Alright, so like I said on the last video, I did say that we would get all of this liquidity. All of this is liquidity, but I didn't know that we would be getting that very soon. So we ended up taking that all yesterday, but it's alright. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we basically just did a liquidity sweep in this area right here. Liquidity sweep right here. So then now that we got a liquidity sweep, let's go on a 1 hour time frame. And let's look at what we got. Alright, so as you guys can see, there's a lot of fair value gaps that we can actually, potentially take. But as of right now, we're gonna do this. We're gonna go the 50% into these areas. So what do we see? We see a fair value gap right here. 1 hour fair value gap. We're gonna mark this down as 1 hour. And then the thing that I don't like about this 1 hour is that there's equal lows. That's what I don't like about this. But we're gonna see, ladies and gentlemen. We're just gonna take this off. Okay. So what do we see now? We could potentially find a move that's gonna up, down into these areas. Okay, so what do we see? All right, we see that there is a fair value gap right here. I call those fair value gaps, right? And then there's another fair value gap right below here. So we've been respecting these areas for pretty good. There's fair value gap right here, but I don't want to mark that distance because we got this one right here. This is below the 50. So we can use these areas for liquidity. So if these tend to fail, right, we can usually do this, make this a BISI, come down, BISI. So we're just gonna wait and see what the market tells us. But as of right now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna take this one out because I believe that this is liquidity. So on the 15-minute time frame, right, it does look like liquidity. So I'm not gonna mark that as a fair value gap, but I am gonna mark this one as a fair value gap because if you guys can see, there's a bounce right here, another bounce right here, and another bounce right here. So this fair value gap is more equivalent than the one I want. So, and you guys can also see all of this, that all of this is liquidity. So I would expect for price to just shoot down and we come here. We could potentially jump them right there, but if we don't, then like I said, it'll break, retest, come back into this area. So this is what I'm looking at for right now. Just like at SPY, I'm gonna just clear all of this area. So for SPY, we're just gonna, oh my bad, we're just gonna clear all of this. Okay, so like I said, the reason why I kept wanting so long like yesterday and lost all my money is because I seen this area. This is a weekly fair value gap, and I've been expecting this to skyrocket, but it didn't. It kept dropping lower and lower, and that's where I lost the majority of my money. So what do we see today, ladies and gentlemen? On the 1 hour time frame, we see that there is a big volume imbalance, and this has to get filled. So I'm expecting maybe price to shoot up to here. I'm not sure, but let's go on the weekly time frame, on the daily time frame, my bad. And if we can close up of this, and this will be a liquidity sweep, but as of today, I don't know what's gonna happen, so we're just gonna have to wait and see. But on a 15-minute time frame, let's see. There's a fair value gap on the 15-minute. We have this as a fair value gap. We're on the 15-minute time frame. Price is up here in pre-market, so we can either potentially drop and come in and fill this area, or we can keep going lower. But as of right now, ladies and gentlemen, we have this as liquidity marked on the 15-minute time frame. Let's see where the kill zones are. I mean, London session and Asian session. So we took out London high. We still need to take Asians high and London low and Asian low. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, we can potentially come into this fair value gap, this one right here. So for right now, we are going to be shorting this area so we can come back and test this area out. So for right now, what do we see on the 5-minute? Let's see if we can find a fair value gap or a BISI or something. Okay, so we have, let's do it on the 1 minute. It's a little bit more cleaner. We have a high, low, higher high, lower low. So let's mark this. We have a high, low, higher high, lower low. So what can we do? So what we can do is mark the series of up close candles. Mark this as an order block. So what I'm expecting is for price to come up here and chase us to go downwards, but I do see a 1 minute fair value gap right above, right here, right where the 50% of the order block is. So what we can do, ladies and gentlemen, is to short it right here, because to me this is more accurate than this one right here. So I'm just gonna wait and see in this area gets hit. So we're gonna wait and see. Market's gonna open in about 30 minutes, so I'll see you guys then. All right, ladies and gentlemen, market is about to open in 1 minute. We're gonna see if you guys can see right here. Price did react, and it did. Looks like it did, sell off. So I'm not quite sure what price is gonna do right now. I'm hoping that we do get I'm hoping that we do retrace up here, but I'm not sure if it will, because it looks like price just wants to keep dumping. But as you guys can see, we are just getting a good sell-off. I'm gonna check if we have news just to see. I don't think we do have news. I'm not quite sure, but we're gonna see right now. We do have news at 9:45, so that could really change everything that I've been saying on to all of this. So I will see you guys at news, or if I enter into a trade. So it does look like we just entered the fair value gap into this area, but the way how price is reacting into this area, I don't think we're gonna hold this, because we've seen this big aggressive push down. So what I am gonna do is tell you guys that we might enter this area, and we might, so this is what we might do. We might push, retrace into this fair value gap, come down. That's what I'm gonna see, but we're just gonna see right now, see what price does. All right, ladies and gentlemen, market is about to either make a big fat move up, or it's about to crash, but I'm not sure what's gonna happen. News is about to drop in 15 seconds. It looks like SPY and NASDAQ are not very good friends right now. It doesn't look very good at all, but let's see what price does. If we get a big up move or down move. Looks like big up move. Let's see if it crashes down. Well, not much of a big move that I would thought it would happen, but I mean, I guess that's news for you. So it does look like price is about to break into this fair value gap, and price might come back and retrace into this area. But honestly, boys, I might not even trade today, because I just don't know today. I don't know. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think I want to call it a day. It did react into this area, but given how we just had news, I would have expected this to fail, because I just didn't think it would go higher. But honestly, ladies and gentlemen, you see, look, I bet you $20 it's gonna just shoot, come back and go down. But I don't want to trade today. It's just, I don't like price action right now. Just the 15 minutes just look very bearish, man. Like I do got a feeling it'll probably just push back down here, but as of right now, I feel like we should have gotten the explosive move already. But yeah, boys, I'm just gonna sit out for today. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right, later, y'all.